cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus. Dump oxygen, poor blood into the heart. It goes through the tricuspid valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts. It goes through the semilunar valve, and arteries always carry blood away from the heart. In this case, it's blue because it's low in oxygen. It goes into the pulmonary arteries so that it can go into the capillary beds in the lungs to pick up oxygen. Now, the blood has picked up oxygen. Veins always drain blood back to the heart. And so now your pulmonary veins are red. The other one's missing because I lost the back half of this. So now you want pulmonary veins coming back, and they're going to dump this oxygen poor or oxygen rich. And there's 4, 2 right and 2 left. Oxygen poor or oxygen rich blood? Rich. So this is the only time that these two flip. Now you go through into the left atrium. You go through the left AV valve, also known as the bicuspid, also known as the mitral. Okay? And then blood, of course, comes in. Papillary muscles contract, closes that valve. Now blood, once it's filled up here, has to exit through something called the aortic semilunar valve. Aortic valve. Because it's going to flow into the aorta. This is the aorta. And the aorta sends, and its branches, sends that oxygen-rich blood to every single part of your body. Except the, no, it even goes to the lungs. So it's to the systemic circuit. So now it's going through the systemic circuit. This is the aorta. It has a bunch of branches. And it also has an ascending. Here's the arch. Here's the descending. That's in the thoracic. And then in the abdominal pelvic cavity, you have the abdominal aorta. Okay? And it does this. Now it has oxygen-rich blood. And this is happening. The capillaries, the exchange occurs in the capillaries. Cells pick up what they need, dump what they don't want. Veins, starting off with the venous, drain back into the right atrium and gives you the oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Goes into the right ventricle so it can go through the pulmonary circuit. Anyone confused? Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus, dumps into the right atrium. Right atrium, the blood goes through the tricuspid or right AV valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps it into the pulmonary trunk, which is an artery. The pulmonary arteries send it to the lungs. Exchange occurs at the capillary beds. Oxygen rich comes back to the left atrium via the pulmonary veins. And now they are red. And you can see that then from the atrium, you can see the atrium in the back. The posterior surface of the heart is mostly the left atrium. Then that blood is sent through the left AV valve, or bicuspid or mitral, into the left ventricle to go through the systemic circuit and reaches every single cell of your body. So then it has to go through the aortic semilunar valve, which is there, and into the aorta and all its branches. So, what can you tell me between the right and the left ventricle? Looking at here, what do you notice? Is one larger than the other? Yes. Why is the left side larger? Extra credit point. It has to pump, it has to have enough pressure to get that blood to all the cells in your body. The right ventricle, it just has to go to the lungs. That's it. And you're good to go. Okay? And the heart sits right next to the lungs. So it's not going that far. But the aorta, that artery, it has to make sure that all the cells in your body get it, from your brain to your toes. hopefully all of you. Okay? Any questions?